Hey guys, what's going on? As you can see from the title, I just bought this 240SX. I got it for $1,100, which considering the drift tax is a pretty good price in 2025. And obviously the strat that I use is following an old guy home. You already know I snatched this thing off some old dude for way less than it was worth. But yeah, I've been having a lot of fun with the car. I don't want to show you guys too close because I did a detail on the interior. Well, that's kind of an understatement because I really just redid the entire thing. I got carried away. So I will show you guys the before and after, the whole transformation on that really quick.
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
All right, now that you've seen everything that I did to it, here's a closer look at the inside of the car. These door cards are really my favorite part. These things stand out, especially if you look at the before and after. But you can see where there's still some in progress stuff. Videos coming soon, like the steering wheel. And these things I'm 3D printing, like this side. This is not the final either. I'm gonna be putting universal switches in here that are easy to switch out for cheap, since these all end up looking like that. But yeah, this is the car. I'm super happy with it. I've been having a lot of fun so far. I'm excited for you guys to follow along with this build. There's a lot of stuff that needs to be fixed, like obviously these things. There's the mirror. I kind of broke the glass there, don't tell anybody. In progress stuff like this and the missing trim here, I'm going to replace. I've got some plans. There's 3D printing, like I mentioned. There's other options for just like JB welding, sanding, and repainting, refinishing stuff. I'm gonna be doing a lot of things that I don't think anyone else has done. A lot of things that other people have done, but switching it up, like the dash cover, but I wanna wrap it in suede before I put it on. So I'm gonna make this thing really nice, and I feel like not enough people do that with these drift cars. They just kind of thrash them or remove the interior. But I want to make this like a fun sports car that's nice on the inside, and the door cards are kind of a good window into how I'm going to be doing that. And last thing, obviously it's automatic, but that's not staying. You guys know that. So hopefully someday soon I'll get this thing all squared away. But I'm going to be working on that Civic out there. Now that I bought this thing, I really got to get that out of my driveway. So I'll be fixing the engine on that thing. But thank you guys for watching. Obviously, stay tuned for all the content coming up on this thing, my other car, and if we have any spare time, I still have so many mods that I bought all the parts for to do to the 4Runner. So lots of content to come. Follow my TikTok. There'll be exclusive content like the steering wheel on there, fun stuff. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will see you next time.